Unclogging a toilet can be a total pain, but if you go step by step from the easiest fixes to the more involved ones, you might just save yourself a big mess and a plumber bill. First off, give it a little time and flush again. Sometimes the water just needs a moment to seep past the clog or around it, and it'll slowly drain down to normal. Do this a few times before moving on. Next, grab a 2-gallon bucket. Any plastic one from your local store works, and fill it up with water from the bathtub or sink. When the toilet tank refills and the bowl water settles at normal level, flush the toilet and dump that bucket of water in fast. This creates extra pressure that often pushes the clog through without any fuss. If that doesn't do the trick, try using a plunger once the water is as low as it's going to get. Quick, strong plunges for about 2 seconds work better than slow plunging because they avoid splashing and buildup of wave patterns. If plunging fails, pull out a small plumbing snake, the flexible metal coil that you feed into the toilet's trap, that bendy pipe part. Twist it through and you might either push the clog through or bring it up. Keep your bucket handy just in case. If none of these work, removing the toilet to see if the clog is in the fixture or the plumbing line is next, but be warned, it can get messy and tricky. Finally, if you still can't clear it, calling a plumber is totally okay because sometimes the clog is deep down in the pipes where tools won't reach. One of the biggest mistakes people make when unclogging toilets is rushing straight to plunging without waiting for water to drain a bit, which just makes more mess and splashing. The fix? Be patient, let water settle first. Another common issue is not using enough force or speed when plunging, so it doesn't create enough pressure to move the clog. Quick, sharp plunges work best here. Lastly, many folks try to snake the toilet with a tool that's too big or stiff, which can damage your toilet or get stuck. Go with a small, flexible snake designed for toilets and avoid forcing it too hard. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors easily, so you don't have to stress over who to call for home repairs or improvements. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need work done, making it a win-win for both sides.